10 years, we're going to need meme hospitals for people who have been turned into memes to be clinically analysed and sorted out because they'll be so fucked from being turned into fucking memes.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Blood.